Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 31491 Carril De Maderas in San Juan Capistrano, California. This incredible home resides behind the private gated community of Rancho Madrina. You are located on a private, expansive lot spanning over 10,000 square feet. The pool is incredible. It's custom. You have a covered patio area. This is an entertainer's dream out in that backyard. And as you can see, there are a lot of improvements throughout the entire home. Look how gorgeous this kitchen is. The home has an incredible, cool vibe. I know you're gonna love it. Let's go take the tour. I'm in the living room. I'm loving these soaring ceilings. The natural light flows throughout the entire home. There's so many architectural details to this home that's truly remarkable. Isn't this backyard incredible? If you're interested in taking a private tour, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.